Hi guys, good morning. Today is November 5 at ngayon ay maglalakad-lakad muna kami ni Mister para maipakita din sa inyo yung aming uh, lugar dito sa Germany, kung saan dito kami nakatira sa bundok guys. See you later. Hello guys. Eto na, maglalakad na kami ngayon ni Mister and napakalamig. Sobrang lamig ng kamay ko. Wala akong dalang gloves. Kasi hindi ko naman akalain na ganun talaga kalamig ngayon. Today ay 6 degree lang ang temperature. Akala ko so far okay pa kasi maaraw, pero ang lamig guys. Ayan na. Parang sinisip ko na ako. Lumuluha na yung mata ko sa lamig. So ang ganda, di ba guys? Actually, ngayon lang kami din nakapasyal dito. Nakapunta na kami dito, pero hindi kami naglakad ng ganitong kalayo talaga, guys. Yan. Hindi kami nag-wear ng mask kasi wala namang masyadong tao, guys. Iilan lang talaga. Pero eto, dala ko. May dala din si Mister. So, in case na kailangan talaga, so lagi kaming meron sa bulsa. So ayun, napakaganda lang, ang sarap ng ng pakiramdam na maglakad kahit malamig, pero yung hangin talaga niya, fresh. Hindi siya katulad pag nakatira ka sa city na polluted na talaga. Dito talaga napaka sarap tumira guys, kasi yung hangin mo talaga na malinis. Yan. Eto guys, na lugar na to, malapit lang to sa hotel namin. So, hindi talaga siya ganun kalayo. Kaya ngayon, isip namin ni Mister na maglakad muna para makita nyo. Ayun si Mister. Nasaan si Mister? Ayan. Ito na siya dyan. Ang ganda.
Welcome on the Kalarasten, the highest mountain here in Sauerland. If you look around.
Today is really quiet.
Normally this is full of people.
Yeah, it's not much people today, but it's very beautiful weather. So we decided to walk and see something today.
6 degrees. That's why we are covered in winter jackets.
Habulin mo ako.
I'm walking, she's running.
Parang bata lang. Oh my God. Parang bata lang talaga. Masarap maglakad guys. Kasi walang masyadong tao. Tapos ang weather ay
The next few days it's anyway beautiful weather, so every day we will go somewhere nice in the area and show you this area, how beautiful it is here.
Yes, it is really beautiful.
Normally we go far away on holiday, but it's not always necessary.
Sabi ni Mister, ngayon lang daw kami nakapunta dito. Tama naman. Kasi busy rin naman kami everyday noon. Talagang, say hi Han.
Hello.
May dala-dala din siya kanya. Ayun, yun yung binili namin kahapon dumating. So, guys, oh. Yan. Ang init. Ang init. I mean, ayun oh, maaraw. Pero malamig. Hindi kami kasi guys nakakapasyal basta-basta kasi pagka puno ang hotel or may guest kami talaga, kami lang ni Mister ang nagtatrabaho sa hotel. So wala talaga kaming panahon. Kahit minsan yung pagkain namin ng lunch, hindi kami makakain dahil ng sobrang busy nga. So, bali nagwo-work kami everyday ni Mister. Walang day off. I think 12 to 15 hours per day. Nagkakaroon lang kami talaga ng rest guys kapag sinasara namin ang hotel. And nagbabakasyon kami kahit 1 week in between. And sa Pilipinas, umuwi rin kami mostly every year. But this year, hindi na namin nagawa dahil nga ng pandemic. So, ayun. Kaya pagka may time kami talaga ni Mister na makakapasyal, namamasyal talaga kami kasi we love traveling talaga. Traveling. So, ayun.
So, here we are at one of the ski pistes in this area. This is the Zanehang. At the end there you see the town of Alt-Astenberg. They also have lots of ski slopes. And actually, if we go that way a bit more, you will find the ski slopes of Winterberg.
Good job!
So here you see what so this is where the end is of the lift. Brings you out here.
Normally you
lift, it holds you as you hold it as first up.
and you can do this
You can also like, but it's not very comfortable.
like this.
Not very comfortable though.
So yeah, we never try.
So every hiking trail you find lots of seats where you can just relax a bit until you continue walking again. And guys, look at that view, how far you can look.
You actually can, how do you make, zoom it, huh?
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay. Good job. Sorry. Inaaya ko na guys si Mister na umuwi. Sinisipon na ako. Sabi ko umuwi na kami. Nagugutom na ako. Ayaw niya. Kailangan daw kami maglakad ng 3 oras. Normally guys, hindi talaga ako palalakad. Gusto ko lang maglakad pagka nasa shopping street ako. Yun ang pupuntahan namin. Pero normally hindi talaga ako naglalakad ng ganito. So para sa inyo guys, ah, gagawin ko to. At saka, ang sarap pala, guys. Ngayon ko na-realize na ma-appreciate din yung nasa paligid mo. Tsaka yung mag-walk ng ganito, napakatahimik, nakaka-relax. So,
Here is the most beautiful view you can have here on the road.
yeah, but it's quite difficult to see because of the...
The sun is actually right in our face. Feels nice and warm though, although it's only 4.5 degrees outside.
I thought it was 6. It's dark. Slow like this, yeah, thank you.
Look at the rocks over here. See how mountainous this area is.
It's again dark. Yes.
And look at the color on the tree. Just the sun coming through. As you see, it's autumn.
Wait, oh, this is
Lots of
nice.
trees lost all their leaves already.
Yeah. That's good.
For me, this is one of the most beautiful roads here in the area. Very narrow though to drive, but very beautiful. The views are gorgeous. Welcome back in Northern.
We are home, guys. So, ngayon ako ay magluluto muna ng aming pagkain kasi hindi pa kami nakakakain ni Mr. kanina. So, hindi rin kami nag-lunch.
Lunch?
So,
Oh, good idea. Come, let's go inside. My tummy
Okay.
is hungry.
bye, guys.
Bye-bye.